Hello friends, welcome to my channel Banking Aspirants. Today we'll discuss high level questions of alphanumeric series. Okay, let we go for today's session. Okay, look at the questions. Study the following arrangement carefully and answer the questions given below. Okay, this is the alphabet series. First question, how many such consonants are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by vowel and immediately followed by a vowel? Okay, concentrate on consonants immediately preceded by a vowel and also immediately followed by a vowel. Look at the series. Vowel, vowel, no chance. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, A, D, E. Okay, next one. Vowel, consonant, consonant. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, A, C, U. Next, vowel, consonant, consonant. Vowel, vowel. Vowel, consonant, vowel. Okay, E, B, A. Okay, next, vowel, consonant, vowel. U, D, E. Okay, we got 4. Okay, option C is the right answer. Okay, this is the way of arranging. Next question, how many meaningful words can be formed with the alphabets which are 2nd, 4th, 7th from the right end of the above arrangement? Okay, from the right end we should take second element, that is D, and next one 4th element, that is B, and 7th, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th. Okay, U is the 7th element. Okay, we can form 2, BUD and DUB. Okay, C is the right answer. Okay, next question, how many such pairs of alphabets are there in the series of alphabets given in bold in the above arrangement, each of which has many letters between them in both forward and backward directions as they have between them in English alphabetical series? Okay, we can see U, D, E, B, C. These 5 letters are in bold. U, D, E, B, C. Okay, what is the question? How many such meaningful pairs of letters we can form according to alphabetical series in both forward and backward? Okay, we'll check. Here D, E, B, C. Okay, B, C, 1 pair, D, E, 1 pair, and this is forward direction. In backward direction, C, D, E. Okay, C, E, third combination. Okay, next B, C, D. This is 4th combination. We can form 4 meaningful words, letters. Okay, option E is the right answer. Next question, if all the A's are dropped from the above arrangement, which of the following will be 10th from the left end of the above arrangement? Okay, if all A's are dropped, which is 10th left from the above arrangement? Okay, we have to count from left side. When counting, eliminate the A's. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay, what is the 10th left element after eliminating A's? That is B. Okay, option C is the right answer. Okay. Fifth question, which of the following is the fifth to the left of the 17th from the left end of the above arrangement? Okay, look at the series. Fifth left, fifth left and 17th left. Okay, look at the series. Here both are same direction. Okay, we should subtract. Okay, always subtract small value from big value. Okay, 17 minus 5, 12 left. Okay, we should count 12 left element. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9 and 3, 12. U is the 12th left. Okay, U is the 12th left. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Coming to next arrangement, these are the words arrangement in alphabet series. And for the big sum, these are the meaningful words arrangement. Okay, look at the questions. If the third alphabet of each of the words is changed to the next alphabet in the English alphabetical series, which of the following will be form a meaningful English word? Okay. Okay, take the words and third alphabet of each of the words is changed to the next alphabet. Okay, here and is there. D becomes E. F for R becomes S. Okay, T, H, E becomes F. B, I, G, H. S, U, M becomes N. Okay, after changing next letter, which of the following will be form a meaningful English word? A-N-E, F-O-S, T-H-F, B-I-H. These are non-meaningful words. S-U-N, sun is the meaningful word. Okay, so S-U-M, sum is the only option. A is the right answer. Okay, next question. If the given words are arranged in the order as they would appear in a dictionary form, left to right, which of the following will be second from the right? Okay, we should arrange these words in alphabetical order. Okay, that is dictionary order. First letter will be and, first word. Next, big. Okay, next, fur. Next, some. Last one is THE, the. Okay. After arranging, what will be the second from the right? So, second from the right is some. Option E is the right answer. Okay. Coming to next question. How many letters are there in the English alphabetical series between the second letter of the word, which is second from the right? What is the second letter of the word which is second from the right hand? Second right is big. Okay. What is the second letter of big? I. Next, the second letter of the word which is second from the left of the given words. Okay. What is the second word from the left? Fur. In this, we need to find second letter. What is second letter? O. How many letters are there between I and O? In English alphabetical order, how many words are there? Letters are there. I, J, K, L, M, N. Okay. How many letters are there? 5. Okay. Option B is the right answer. Okay. Next question. If in each of the given words, each of the consonants is changed to previous letter and each vowel is changed to next letter in the English alphabetical series, how many words thus formed will no vowels appear? Okay. We should change the consonant to previous letter and vowel to next letter. Okay. A is vowel, so we'll change it to next letter. Okay. B and N is consonant, previous letter M. D is consonant, previous letter C. F is consonant, previous letter E. O is vowel, okay, next letter. Q, R is consonant, T is consonant, H is consonant, okay, change it to previous letter. E is vowel, change it to next letter. B is consonant, change it to previous letter. I is vowel, next letter. G is consonant, okay. S is consonant, okay, and U is vowel, next letter, and M is consonant, previous letter, okay. This is the arrangement. Next question is, in how many words thus formed will no vowels appear? Okay, here one vowel is there, here no vowel, okay, this is one option. Next, this is also no vowels, here A is there, here no vowel, okay. 3 words are formed after arranging, okay. So option D is the right answer, okay. This is the way of solving alphabet series. Okay, coming to next question. Take number series and solve the questions. First question, how many 2's are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately followed by a digit which have a numerical value more than 4. Okay, first concentrate on 2 and followed by numerical value more than 4. Okay, concentrate on 2, 2, 4. We have condition more than 4. Okay, neglect it. 2, 3. 2, 5. Okay, 5 is greater than 4. Next, 2, 7. Okay, next 2, 6. Okay, next 2, 9. We have 4, 2, 5, 2, 7, 2, 6, 2, 9. Okay, after arrangement we got 25, 27, 26, 29. Okay, 4 is the answer, more than 3. Next question, how many such ones are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square? Okay, how many such ones are there? Okay, each of which is immediately preceded by a perfect square. Okay, preceded means before. So concentrate on 1. 1 preceded by 6, but 6 is not perfect square. 1, 4. 4 is the perfect square. Next, 4, 1. Next, 1, 3. 3 is not a perfect square. Here no ones are there, only 2 got. So option C is the right answer. Okay. Coming to third question, how many such 5's are there in the above arrangement, each of which is immediately preceded and followed by an odd digit? Okay, before should be odd and after should be odd. Concentrate on 5. 5 before preceded by odd number but not followed by odd number. This is even number. 5, 2, 8. These two are even numbers. 5, 7, 2. 2 is even number. Here 5, 9, 3. So 5 is preceded by odd number and followed by odd number. Only one option is there. 9, 5, 3. So B is the right answer. Next question. Which of the following is third to the left of 18th digit from the left end of the above arrangement? What is that? Third, left and 18th from the left. Okay. Third left and 18th left. We have same directions. Okay. We should subtract. 18 minus 3, 15 left. Okay. Count from left end. 3, 3, 6, 3, 9, 3 12, 3 15. Okay. What is the element in fifth left? Place 4. Option C is the right answer. Okay. Next question. If all the even digits are deleted from the above arrangement, which of the following will be ninth from the right end? Okay. Even digits are deleted. Then what is the ninth right value from the right end? Okay. So ninth right element after deleting even numbers. Okay. Counting from right side, eliminating the even numbers. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. After eliminating even numbers, 5 will be the ninth right element. Okay. Option D is the right answer. Okay friends, this is our today's session, alphanumeric series, high level questions. Practice different types of question. We can clear any competitive exam. Okay. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel.